Hello, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. When I started my channel, I didn't think I would do anything fancy, but I just wanted to give this a try. Today I got a Moyu LingPo and the detachable timer for the pad. When I bought the pad, I thought I would be getting the timer with it, and it looks like someone has already opened this. Cool. I thought I would be getting the timer with it, and apparently that wasn't so. So I just got this off of the Cubicle, and I have to say I was very impressed with their shipping, as many other people have already said. And so that made my day a lot better. So, business card, cool. And the timer, which I have been waiting for a long time before I got it off of the Cubicle. So I'm very excited. I'm going to do this first here. Ages 3 and up. I think I fit. Right. Pamphlet. Alright. Yep, got it. Boom. Like a pro. Alright. Take that out. Slide timer to unlock from that. It's not going to fit on here because this doesn't have anything for it, but I don't need that. New record, cool. Well, actually, it's not a new record. Alright, and so I'm going to see how I'm going to do this next. If I can get it open, that is. Alright, I am sorry about that. My battery died on my camera. So this comes pre-scrambled. How nice of them. Very, very dusty. So let's see. Ooh. Wow, that's very loose. But I like it. I mean, whoa. I'm really gonna have to do something to this. I don't like it that loose. I don't know about this. Kind of questioning this. That seems way too. I don't know. So I'm gonna do this stuff. I'm gonna do some solves to try out my timer here. I've only ever used one of these timers 7 times when I did a competition with this, my Waylong, and I got 2 tries on the 5x5, but they were both DNF.